Welcome to the Nature's Guide, your trusted companion on a journey through the magical world of plants and nature. Whether you're a curious beginner or a seasoned green thumb, we're here to bring you natural wisdom, eco-living ideas, and plant care secrets to make your space healthier and happier. So grab a cup of tea, take a deep breath, and let's dive into the green side of life. Snake plant, Sansevieria. First on our list is the mighty snake plant, also known as Sansevieria or mother-in-law's tongue. Native to West Africa, this plant is tough and resilient, known to survive harsh climates, making it one of the most low-maintenance indoor plants around. It filters toxins like formaldehyde, xylem, and nitrogen oxide, and uniquely, it releases oxygen at night, making it an ideal choice for bedrooms. It thrives in indirect sunlight, but also tolerates low light. Water only when the soil is completely dry. Sometimes just once a month is enough. Overwatering is the most common mistake to avoid. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices, especially where light is limited. It's one of NASA's top-rated air-purifying plants and improves sleep quality by producing oxygen during the night. Aloe vera. Next up is aloe vera, a plant that not only looks beautiful but is packed with healing properties. Originally from Africa and the Arabian Peninsula, aloe vera is now loved globally for its medicinal benefits. It removes benzene and formaldehyde, common in household cleaners and paints. A sun lover. Place it in a sunny window. Water every 2 to 3 weeks or when the soil is dry. In winter, water sparingly to avoid root rot. Perfect for kitchens or sunny windowsills. Its gel is great for soothing burns, skin irritation, and cuts. Ancient Egyptians called it the plant of immortality. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Third on the list, the delightful spider plant, perfect for first-time plant parents. Native to South Africa, it's well known for adapting to a wide range of indoor conditions. Removes carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and other common indoor toxins, especially those released from furniture and plastics. Loves bright, indirect light. Water once or twice a week. If leaf tips turn brown, increase humidity or water slightly more. Great for kitchens, hallways, or as a hanging plant near a window. Spider plants produce a baby plants or spiderets that can be easily propagated. One plant can turn into many, perfect for sharing. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. Number 4 is the elegant peace lily, beauty with purpose. Native to tropical rainforests of Central and South America, it's known for its glossy leaves and white blooms. Removes benzene, ammonia, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene, making it ideal for homes with cleaning products and electronics. Water once or twice a week. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Peace lily grows well even in low light but thrives in soft, filtered sunlight. Ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, or shaded corners of your home. In Feng Shui, it symbolizes peace and harmony, and it's known to uplift the energy of a space while increasing humidity indoors. Areca Palm, Dipsis lutescens. Last but not least, the tropical Areca Palm, your natural indoor air freshener and humidifier. Originally from Madagascar, this lush plant is known for its feathery, vibrant green fronds. Filters airborne toxins and releases moisture, acting as a natural humidifier, especially great in dry climates or air-conditioned rooms. Loves filtered, indirect light. Water when the top layer of soil is dry. Mist its leaves weekly to maintain humidity. A perfect centerpiece for living rooms, office corners, or bright entryways. It can grow 6 to 8 feet tall indoors and adds a dramatic, tropical feel, turning any corner into a green retreat. Let's quickly recap the 5 air-purifying indoor heroes we explored today. Snake plant, hardy and ideal for bedrooms. Aloe vera, healing gel and air cleaner. Spider plant, super easy and great for propagation. Peace lily, elegant, calming, and great for humidity. Areca palm, tropical, tall, and a natural humidifier. Which one of these amazing air-purifying plants will find a home with you? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing from you. And if this video brought a little green inspiration into your day, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Nature's Guide. We've got so much more natural wisdom coming your way. Thanks for spending time with the Nature's Guide. Let's grow a healthier, happier world, one leaf at a time. Until next time, keep blooming.